Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, finally we have here the DT8 Ultra Smartwatch and we have the WS8 Ultra Smartwatch. Okay, so obviously we are going to compare this 45mm smartwatch with our 49mm smartwatch, okay, from DT number 1. Again, this is our 49mm smartwatch, the DT8 Ultra smartwatch, and we have the WS8 Ultra smartwatch, okay, a 45mm version. So if you have any questions regarding these two smartwatches, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so let's start first with the weight of these two wearables. Okay, again, we have here the 49mm version. Okay, let's check the weight. 00, we have 63.92, while for our WS8, a 45mm version, we have a 52.80. Okay, so seems like it's more than 10 grams in weight added to the 49mm model. Okay, so let's check on with the design. Okay, let's compare it side by side. Okay, so we have here the size comparison. As you can see, obviously the 49mm will have a much obvious, much larger, okay, design here. On this side, even the crown button is much bigger, as well as the pill shape button. Okay, on the other side with the grill speaker and the orange button. So this is our 49mm. Okay, so there's an obvious difference here when it comes to the size. The back cover here, our 49mm version and the 45. So as you can see here, the other one supports the lock strap mechanism similar to the somewhat similar, but not really similar, but somewhat similar to the original one. All this one still it is using the old method of attaching the strap force fitting, similar to other series 7 and 8 smartwatches. Okay, so when it comes to copycat closer to the original one, the 49mm version is much, okay, better, elegant looking. Okay, for the screen display, okay, the DT8 do have a 2.5 2.0, okay, IPS LCD with a 420 by 485 pixel resolution. I think this one is 1.95. Okay, it says it's 2.0, but I don't think it's 2.0. Maybe it's 1.95 inch. Okay, 395 by 460 pixel resolution. Okay, both are IPS LCD screen. Okay, beautiful looking screen display. For the watch faces, okay, you can see here for the WS8, several preloaded watch faces available in the smartwatch. While for the DT8, okay, you cannot really scroll on the watch faces here. You still have to go to the settings, okay, to adjust the watch faces, which I think is much better. Let's see if we can change the watch face if it's unlocked. I already forgot on how to operate this thing. Okay, it's already unlocked. Okay, you can still adjust. Okay, but there's a lock mechanism. Okay, so these are the preloaded watch faces. Much smoother when it comes to using the rotary button here. Okay, so let's check again. For the UI, on top we have the shortcut to important settings or functions. Okay, beautiful UI here for the WS8. Okay, while for the DT8, let's check. Oh, it's still having a basic UI here. Okay, similar to the previous. Okay, anyway, still it has the details here, the things that you need. Okay, support split screen for the 45mm WS8. Let's check. Going back, so here is the split screen. Okay, which is better? What do you think? Okay, for the orange button here, you press, so doesn't do anything really. I don't know, I still haven't set it up. Well, here for the DT8, it goes, okay, a shortcut, it goes to the sports section. It is a shortcut to your sports section. Okay, so this one, as you can see, window, okay, window pane. Okay, for different functions and features in the DT8. Well, for here in the WS8, let's check. Just a menu. Okay, going back and forth with the menu and the watch faces. Okay, to access again the menu, well, let's see here on the bottom part. So, okay, notifications for this one. Okay, so different approach in the UI here. Okay, so here are the different functions of the wearable. Okay, so to activate, I think you have to press this one. Okay, okay, here's the UI. Menu style, message. Okay, I think the DT8 do have a much better looking UI and smoother transition here. Okay, for the style menu, let's check. So this one I like with the with the WS8, be honest. Okay, you already have a preview of the watch style, menu style, as you can see here. Okay, while for the DT8, let's check menu style here. So it's just a basic. Okay, but it has a comprehensive list of the different styles. Okay, let's go back. Okay, output. I accidentally turned it off. That's what I don't like about the WS8. Sometimes it's hard to operate. You need at least use it several times to be able to figure out on how the uh, menu and functions here work. Okay, for the menu, let's check on the sports. Where's the sports here? Yeah, here, so let's check. Okay, the DT8 do have a much comprehensive list of sports, I think. Okay, walking, let's check. Walking, Okay, so it calculates for the beats per minute, calorie, steps, and distance. So the same. Okay, stop. Come back. Okay, so it's almost the same with the sports here. Okay, for the heart rate, let's check. Okay, so both detects whether you are wearing it or not. Okay, so a good feature, much better compared to previous model of clones. Okay, that it is only providing you a random data on health monitoring. Okay, so they almost have the same features here. But when it comes to the screen display, I think the DT8 do have a much better screen. Okay, for the Bluetooth call, we already used it, and it is also the same. It also works. Okay, we also have a temperature here. I think we also have a temperature in the WS8. As you can see here, also have. Come back. For the BP, let's check. We have a blood pressure. Here it is. BP. Okay, we almost have the same UI. Okay. So if you are interested in getting one, okay, if you want a much bigger and more much closer look to the original one, go for the DT8 Ultra smartwatch. But if you just want a much smaller size but still decent looking, go for the 45mm smartwatch. There's a lot of new model there. Okay, that is much, have a much better quality. So this one is also good, the WS8 smartwatch. They have a very good standby time, as well as they also have a very good, okay, usage time. Okay, as you can see, we have here support for always on display. So this one for the WS8, it also supports an always on display mode. Okay, the only thing is that seems like this one, it doesn't have any function at all. I don't know if you can, maybe you can still adjust it in the support app. Both do have a Bluetooth 5.0 for the battery, 280 mAh for the DT8, okay, 260 mAh for the WS8 smartwatch. Okay, IP68 waterproof rated, IP67 waterproof rated. Again, let's have a closer look on the design here. So for the packaging here, as you can see, we have the packaging for the DT8 Ultra, WS8 Ultra. Okay, so it is using a Wear Pro for this one. So again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Bye.